Everybody, I want to invite you to our next video. Thought I'd start a few new ones and thought we would talk about some of the animals on the homestead out here and introduce you to some of them. And decided I think I'll start with our very first animal that we got, which is our Australian Shepherd Maximus. I actually didn't pick him. I didn't want a dog. Our son called one day right before we moved out here to tell us that he was getting a dog and he was at work. And I said, no, we don't want a dog right now. About an hour later, he showed up at the house with a dog. And he was a cute little puppy and all, but I was like, no, you're not keeping this dog. You're not keeping this dog. We don't want a dog right now. We're trying to move into the house. So I put together some of the history with Maximus here. He is an Australian Shepherd. He's a purebred Aussie. He does not herd the goats or stuff that you would think that he would. He doesn't really have a job other than hanging out the house with everybody. But let's take a little bit of the history of Maximus and we'll come back and see you in a bit. Thanks. What? Timmy fell in the well? What? You pushed him in the well? Because he stole your bone? Well, let him sit there then.
You want to go see the little girls? Hmm? You want to go see the little girls? Let's go see the little girls. Okay, let's go see the little girls. Come on. Hello, girls. Hello. You're a good boy, yes you are.
You want your house shoes. He's going to tear them up. Oh, we got it.
You want a bone? You want a bone? Have you been digging? Did you dig? Yeah, you want a bone. Do you think you need a bone? Hmm? Hey, you have dirt on your nose. Did you dig? But you still think you get a bone? Hmm? You want one? But were you digging? Did you dig outside today? Hmm? You think you need a bone? You may not get one anyway. I didn't get the done package of it.
You thirsty, Maximus? Hmm? Are you getting any in your mouth? Hey everybody, thanks for watching our video on with the animals. We're seeing Maximus today. Hit that subscription and the notification bell, and that would be awesome when we see you on the next video. Thanks.